Get your daily need of protein with these 10 snacks. When you live a busy lifestyle, snacks can be useful when hunger hits and you don't have time to prepare a meal. However, many snack foods available today are high in refined carbs and sugar, which can leave you feeling unsatisfied and craving more food. The key is to make sure your snacks are nutritious and contain protein. Protein promotes fullness because it signals the release of appetite-suppressing hormones, slows digestion, and stabilizes your blood sugar levels. Here are 10 high-protein snacks that are healthy and portable, so you can enjoy them even when you're on the go. Number 1. Jerky. Jerky is meat that has been trimmed of fat, cut into strips, and dried. It makes an excellent and convenient snack. It's very high in protein, containing an impressive 9 grams per ounce, or 28 grams. Beef, chicken, turkey, and salmon are often made into jerky. It can be found at most grocery stores, but keep in mind that store-bought versions are typically high in added sugar and artificial ingredients. Your best bet is to make your own jerky, using only meat and some seasonings. Number 2. Trail mix. Trail mix is a combination of dried fruit and nuts that's sometimes combined with chocolate and grains. It's a good source of protein, providing 8 grams in a 2-ounce serving. You can increase the amount of protein in trail mix by using almonds or pistachios, which are slightly higher in protein than other types of nuts, such as walnuts or cashews. The dried fruit and nuts in trail mix make it very high in calories, so it's important to not eat too much at a time. A handful is a reasonable serving. Number 3. Turkey roll-ups. Turkey roll-ups are a delicious and nutritious high-protein snack, consisting of cheese and veggies wrapped inside slices of turkey breast. They're essentially a sandwich without the bread. Snacks that are high in protein and low in carbs, such as turkey roll-ups, have been shown to improve blood sugar levels, which is an important factor in appetite regulation. You can make roll-ups by placing 4 turkey breast slices on a plate and then spreading each with a teaspoon of cream cheese. Place a pickle or strip of cucumber and a tomato slice on the turkey and roll them into wraps. Each wrap provides about 5 grams of protein from the turkey and cheese, as well as some extra nutrients and fiber from the tomato and cucumber. Number 4. Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is an ideal healthy and high-protein snack with 20 grams of protein per 1 cup, or 224 grams serving. It has been shown to be more filling than yogurts with lower protein contents. In addition to being a great source of protein, Greek yogurt is high in calcium, which is important for bone health. To make yogurt even more delicious and filling, you can make a parfait by combining 1 cup of yogurt with granola and mixed berries in layers. The addition of granola to yogurt provides 4 more grams of protein per ounce. However, be mindful of how much you use, as granola is high in calories and easy to overeat. 1 tablespoon or 2 is a reasonable serving size. Number 5. Veggies and yogurt dip. Veggies are great for snacking, but they're not very high in protein on their own. You can increase your protein intake by pairing them with yogurt dip. Yogurt dip is typically made by combining yogurt with herbs and flavorings, such as dill and lemon juice, as in this recipe. For more protein, it's best to use Greek yogurt, which contains almost twice the amount of protein as regular yogurt. For convenience, make a batch of yogurt dip ahead of time and portion it out into snack-sized containers so you can grab it when you need it. Number 6. Tuna. Tuna is loaded with protein and makes a very healthy and convenient snack. 1 cup contains an impressive 39 grams of protein, making it extra filling. Additionally, tuna is high in various other nutrients, such as B vitamins and selenium. It contains a considerable amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Number 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are undeniably healthy, consisting of almost every nutrient that your body needs. They're particularly high in B vitamins and trace minerals. In addition to being nutritious, they're versatile. Hard-boiled eggs make a great portable snack. 1 hard-boiled egg consists of 9 grams of protein, which will keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. Their fullness-promoting properties may also reduce the number of calories you consume later in the day. Number 8. Peanut butter celery sticks. Celery sticks spread with 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter make for a delicious and easy snack. They contain a decent amount of protein from the peanut butter, which provides 4 grams of protein per tablespoon, or 32 grams. Peanut butter and peanuts are known for helping you feel full and have been shown to promote feelings of fullness when consumed between meals. One study found peanut butter to be more filling than the whole nuts, such as almonds or chestnuts. Number 9. No-bake energy bites. Energy bites are a delicious high-protein snack made by combining a variety of ingredients, such as nut butter, oats, and seeds, and then rolling them into balls. The best part about energy bites is that they don't require baking. You can prepare a batch ahead so you have a snack available when you need to grab one and go. Number 10. Cheese slices. In addition to being a quick and easy snack, cheese is incredibly healthy and filling. It's an excellent source of calcium, phosphorus, and selenium, and it contains small amounts of many other nutrients. Furthermore, cheese is rich in protein. Just one slice of cheddar cheese provides 7 grams of this nutrient, which may help suppress your appetite.